Hello, we are Team 36 and we were asked to prepare a video solution for problems 4 and 5 for the hydraulics homework due September 17th. For problem 4, we were given velocities in the x and y direction for 2 time intervals. We were asked to find path lines at 30 seconds for a particle released at 0 seconds and a particle released at 20 seconds, streamlines at 10 seconds and 30 seconds, and streak lines at 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and 30 seconds. To solve this problem, we set up velocity vectors for each time interval to determine the position. The velocities were linear, so the particles traveled on a straight path during each time interval. We used the position equations to find where each particle was at the start and end of each time interval. For the particle released at 0 seconds, we needed 3 points to graph the path line. For the particle released at 20 seconds, we needed 2 points to graph the path line. Here is the graph of our path lines. The particle released at 0 seconds is in blue and travels diagonally up and to the right and back to the left. The particle released at 20 seconds travels to the left and is in red. For part B, we use the same velocity vectors as part A. Here is the graph of our streamlines. The streamlines at 10 seconds travel up and diagonally to the right. The streamlines at 30 seconds travel horizontally to the left. For the streak lines, we again use the same velocity vectors. Here's the graph of our streak lines. The streak lines at 10 seconds are blue, the streak lines at 20 seconds are red, and the streak lines at 30 seconds are green. Problem 5. For this problem, we were given a car that uniformly accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5 seconds. We were asked to find the slope of a free surface of a cup of coffee inside the car. We first set up our axes with z in the vertical direction and x in the horizontal direction. We then found acceleration in the x direction by dividing the change in speed by the time interval and converted it to feet per second squared. There was no acceleration in the z direction. The slope of the cup of coffee is the acceleration in the x direction over the acceleration in the z direction plus gravity. We plugged our accelerations in and calculated the slope to be 0.55.